through generations of innovating processes and people. We have built a heritage to be proud of in British manufacturing. Our engineering solutions are developed by our people to surpass our stakeholders' challenges. Today, we connect yesterday's heritage with tomorrow's innovation. Transforming the way components are manufactured, giving stakeholders access to the quality and service they demand. Committed to continuously investing in our team and technology, adding control to all our processes, keeping our team members safe from harm for those who matter. Launch managing our customers' complex concepts into quality components and assemblies. As we lead the way above industry standard for market sectors across the globe. Jenks Cattell Engineering Limited.